Final number 2. On the mark was single. Yep. Match between Fairwings versus Santos Memorial. So Santos Memorial toss won money bowling எடுத்துருக்காங்க. So ball number 2. Straight away infield clear பண்ணிருக்கு. It could be a boundary. Good shot from Vicky. Ball number 2. Now Vicky is facing. So Vic appeal. Not out. Straight to the hands. Again dot ball. So now Kural to Vicky. Again dot ball. Next one. Oh, fantastic one. Straight away spinner எடுத்து வந்திருக்காங்க. Pondiraj to Vishal. Straight to the hands. Dot ball. After 1 over completed, score 5 for no loss. Ball number 2. Drive single. Right hander Vicky is facing. Stash ball, tappana ball. See if we can try boundary. Next ball. Close ஆடிட்டாரு. Next one. Close ஆ போட்டாரு. Boundary. Next one. Fantastic delivery. Dot ball. A 2 over completed, score 40. Close ஆடிட்டாரு. Quick single. Ball number 2. Great one. So the ball நல்லா மூவ் இருக்கு. Strong. Down the leg single. Vishal is waiting. Great cut shot. Straight to the hands. Next one. Next one. Man எடுத்து வெளியில வச்சாங்க. Yes, it's boundary. So again left hander. Single. Strong. Good shot. Loft பண்ணிருக்காரு. Could be. No match land single. Vishal is waiting. Cut shot. Quality பண்ணிருக்காரு. It's boundary. Good shot from Vishal. Best ball. Let's drive. Let's stop. Score. Oh, fantastic line. Angle outside of dot ball. Next one. Beauty nalla flick mari poirukku. Single. 3 of 28 for no loss. First one. Okay, straight to the hands. Ball number 2. Simply clear பண்ணமா. That's boundary. Good shot. On the raise la ஆடி இருக்காரு. Strong. la punch பண்ணிருக்காரு. Single. Vicky is waiting. Excellent delivery. Next one. Full shot. Next one. Again, beautiful delivery. Dot ball. 4 completed, 34 for no loss. Again, Pondiraj, left spinner. Sorry.
Excellent effort. Excellent. Excellent.
Guest on. Fantastic shot.
Good shot.
Shot boundary. So complete ஆயிருச்சு. Score 54. Next one. Sorry. Ball number 2. Wow, great, excellent one. Yeah, it could be. Moment slam.
ஒரு வாய்ப்பு இருந்தது.
Shall on strike.
நான் இங்க அந்த ஷாட்டுக்கு
So ball number 5. Nice stop. Next one. Beauty dot 55. Pradeep, captain, come to an attack. Excellent drive. Convert to run. So ball number 2. A cutter variation, dot ball. Next one. It's a lofted one. Power hit. It's gone for boundary. Good shot from Vishal. Next one. Straight for slog sweep, but could be a single. Next one. Excellent loft. And yes, it's catch. First wicket down for Fairwing Sports Cricket Club. So captain Sanjeev. So it could be a run out. Big wicket எடுக்கிறாரு.
என்ற போட்டியில் 97 ஓட்டங்கள் குறித்த சந்திப்புகளாக ஒரு மிஸ் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங்
ரன் அவுட்டுங்க.
மிஸ்கம்யூனிகேஷன் காரணமாக ஆட்டம் இழப்பாகி வெளியேறுகிறார் ரன் அவுட் முறையில்.
கார்த்தி இவர் நல்ல மீடியம் ஃபேஸர். ஆன் ரைட். Good stop, dot ball. Ball number 2. That's a full shot. Could be. It's a catching. Big player. Vishal also. After 8.2 overs, Fairwing Sports Cricket Club scores 62 for 3 wicket down. New batter in Praveen Kant, left-hander. Toss ball. It's a good drive single. Thus, he is also a good player. He have ability to drive. Bowler can beat that. This one. Can toss ball. Straight to the hands. 2020 toss ball is a bad ball for the bowler and excellent delivery. Good length delivery, dot ball. 9 over completed. Score 63 for 3 wicket down. Okay, Pradeep captain taking. It's a quick run. Ball number 2. Try for slice, but straight to the hands, dot ball. Next one. A beauty. It could be a catch. Fantastic variation from the bowler Pradeep. Winner will enter into the final. Final at now today 2 o'clock. So new batter in Santosh. So he has the ability to rotate single and having ability to go big shots. Nice sweep. Could be
boundary.
Starring boundary. This one. Try wide. Next one. So low toss. Good drive with single. So at the end of 10 over completed, Fairwing Sports Cricket Club scores 74, 4 wicket down. So Praveen Kant 2 ball faced 2 runs. Santosh 2 ball faced 5 runs. Now Karthik to Santosh. To the stump attack. There is a quick chance for single. Yes. Now Praveen Kant is waiting. Left-hander. Positive toss, single. Santosh is waiting. Try to put outside off, but slice good, single. Prank is waiting. Usually his mentality to take single, but straight to the hands, dot ball. This one. Strike for flick. Call for two, but the fielder is quick. To Santosh and Praveen Kant, a proper middle order to save wickets. Strong. Good on drive. Collect single. After 11 overs completed, Fairwind Sports Cricket Club scores 75 for 4 wickets. Again, Pradeep is continuing spell. It's a variation ball. So Pradeep 2 over 15 runs, 2 wickets, 6.92 economy. He's continuing his third over. Left-hander is waiting. His mentality only single. Both batsmen clearly watching the ball till to come back. Yes. Okay. It's a sweep. It's a quality. He shows some quality for the shot. He played 2 sweeps out in the same region. Ball number 4. Wow. Excellent think of batsman. Chance for 3 runs. So ball number 5. Played at the last minute. Dot. Last one delivery. It's a wrong one. Fielder is chasing. Yes, he chased and wide +2. Last one delivery. Stars one. Again, it's a single to end the over. 12 over completed. Fairwind Sports Cricket Club scored 88 for 4. So current run rate 7.33. Projected score 147. So Praveen Kant 8 ball faced 6 runs. Santosh 8 ball faced is 16 runs. Again, straight away Kural. As Kural comes into the attack from the over the wicket. Kural first one. As edge, and it could be. Oh, there is a wrong throw. Single. So ball number 2. Pick up the gap. Press up to shoot. Strong. Come into the stump attack. Into move. It's single. There is a quick fielding. Strong. Beauty. Lovely. Excellent wide acre. Strong. Again, it's a low toss. Next ball. Drive straight to the hands. Dot ball. End of 13 over completed. Fairwinds 93 for 4 wicket down. A new bowler, Parthiban, comes to an attack from around the wicket. First ball. Ready for play a single? Yes, it's a quick single. Santosh playing with a strike rate of 172.73. He faced 11 balls, 19 runs. He is on strike. Ball number 2. It's a big appeal. Umpire called bat first. This one. Oh, excellent delivery. It's a quick one. It's next one. It's wide. Next ball. Fantastic. It's boundary. It's Santosh. He's continuing his form. There is a chance, but bowler missed on. There is a low reflex. This ball. Again, excellent delivery. It's dot ball. At the end of 14 overs, score 99 for 4 wicket down. Again, Kural is containing his last over, 4th over. Try for flick, but it's single. For Santosh, there is a square. Country long on, long off. And third man. Ball number 2. There is a loft to collect single. Next one. There is a edge, and it could be straight to the hand, single again. Next ball. Oh, beauty. Change of face, but batsman played earlier. Udaya, he's also have a ability to hit big shots. Single. Praveen Kanthas waiting. Ola stop in like at the time of 52 overs, score 103 for 5 wicket down. That's the edge. Edge and boundary. So ball number 2. Good shot in the air. Catch. Udaya is so gone. You button Kavin. He's also a right-hander. Straight away collect single. 15.3 overs. 108 for 6. It's a slower. Nice flick. There is no chance to chase. Boundary. Next ball. Again same shot. There is a no man. Fielder tried to chase. No, there is no chance to chase. Boundary. 2 consecutive boundary registered by Praveen Kanth. Last one delivery. Yes. Again a flick. But it's 2 runs. 4 overs remaining. At the end of 16 overs, score 118 for 6. Now Kavin is waiting. Palani is going to continue third over. Current run rate 7.38. Projected score 148. Oh, excellent. Very close to stand. 23 balls to go. In the first innings. That's nice flick. Choose the call. There is a misfield. 2 run. So ball number 3. There is a chance, but it's boundary. Ball number 4. Try to play a cut shot. But there is a chance. Single. Ball number 5. Again, it's a edge and single. 17th over, last one. So this was last one. There is a chance. No. Single. Last 12 balls remaining in this first innings. Semi-final number 2. So at the end of 17 over completed, Fairwing Sports scored 127 for 6. Praveen Kanth 19 ball faced, 22 runs. Stein Kavin 6 ball faced, 9 runs. So Karthik to Kavin, first one. In this slot, there is a chance for single. Ball number 2. Praveen Kanth is waiting. It's a miss hit. There is a big field single. Next ball. Again, ball comes under. Dot ball. Batsman, I think he's ready to hit hard. But yes. Leg by single. So ball number 5. Miss it. There is a flat throw. Oh. It's 2 from delivery. You better, Vivek. Good shot. Excellent shot. Maximum. At the end of 18 over completed, score 137. Second play, Palani. Good shot. There is a chance. Under. It's a catch drop. Vivek is waiting. Second one. There is a big appeal. Wait, wicket down. New batter Daya. He is the captain of Fairwings. Ishwa. Beauty. There is some phase in ball. Ishwa. Second a single. 19th over, last one. It's a square cut. Single. End of 19 over complete. Fairwings scored 140 for 8. Again Karthik come to an attack from over the wicket. Karthik to Kavin. Let's try for helicopter. There is a good field from fielder Parthiban. First 5 balls. Second one. There is a no man's land. Kind 2 run. Ball number 3. And there is a leg by dot ball. Strong. Try for scoop, but beaten. Ball number 5. Again, it's a good shot. Good shot. First innings, last ball. There is a miss hit. Oh, misfield boundary.